In today's video, we have an exciting showdown between two major e-commerce platforms, Shopify and Magento. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or you're just starting your online store, this video will help you decide which platform is right for you. So stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss any of the information we have for you today on both of these platforms. Imagine turning your creative ideas into a booming online store with minimum hassle. That's exactly what we're going to be exploring today to see which platform is going to get you there more efficiently. Let's get right into it and figure out which platform is right for you. First, let's quickly go over an overview of what Shopify and Magento are all about. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that provides everything you need to create and manage your online store. From designing your website to handling payment methods and shipping, Shopify is a one-stop shop for online businesses. Shopify has been a game changer in the e-commerce world since its launch. It allows you to build a professional online store with access to customizable templates, seamless payment processing, and a centralized hub for inventory management. Plus, with Shopify's scalability and access to third-party integrations, it truly is a powerhouse for businesses of all sizes. Magento, on the other hand, is an open-source e-commerce platform renowned for its extensive customization capabilities and robust performance. And Magento is actually a part of Adobe. It's within the many services that Adobe provides within their suite. Favored by businesses aiming for a global reach and high scalability, Magento offers a rich set of features including site management, analytics, and support for multiple languages and payment methods. Its flexibility allows users to tailor their online store to their specific needs, making it ideal for large businesses with significant inventories and complex requirements. The platform promotes advanced promotional capabilities, customizable SEO settings, and a vast array of over 5,000 extensions to enhance functionality. However, Magento's powerful features come with a steep learning curve, requiring a substantial level of technical knowledge and expertise to manage effectively. While its open source nature provides the freedom to choose hosting providers and fine-tune performance, it also means that users must handle their own security and maintenance, which can add to the overall cost. Magento's reliance on third-party developers for themes and the need for technical support make it a better fit for businesses that have or can invest the necessary money to fully leverage all of its capabilities. Now that we have an overview of both Shopify and Magento, let's dive deeper into the features of each platform. First, let's start with Shopify. Firstly, Shopify has an extremely easy to use and beginner-friendly interface. Shopify uses an intuitive drag and drop builder that makes it easy to build websites with no code required. Shopify also has a streamlined setup process that makes everything easy, and they'll show you all the different steps that you need to do in order to create your store online. Shopify also has over 70 professional-looking themes that's going to ensure your website is extremely visually appealing without much effort. Shopify also has some really great marketing and SEO tools built into the platform. A couple things you can do with the SEO tools are customizable meta tags, URLs, and image alt text, and this will just help your business optimize for search engines. And in terms of marketing tools, there's a bunch of built-in tools to help you with email marketing, social media integration, and built-in blogging. Shopify also has comprehensive product management. The inventory management tool allows you to easily track all of your inventory, and it has features like stock tracking, bulk product uploads, and alerts for low stock items. It also allows for product variation, and it has some other features for organization as well. Some of these ways are collections, tags, and categories to make sure that your customer finds the product they're looking for. The scalability and performance of Shopify is also great too. Because Shopify is a full hosting solution, on some other e-commerce platforms, you have to get a hosting plan and then you can set up your e-commerce platform with another brand. But what's great about Shopify is that it's all in one. Also, depending on where you are in your entrepreneurship journey, they have different plans that allow for scalability. So if you're just starting out, you're obviously not going to want to pay a lot of money. And Shopify knows this, so they have plans for smaller entrepreneurs and they have plans for larger ones as well. Shopify also has global reach and has truly taken over the e-commerce industry. This means that it supports multiple currencies and languages, so you don't have to worry about that. In terms of payment and security options, Shopify is also one of the top in the business. Shopify created Shop, which is a really easy and intuitive way to pay for things online. You've probably used it from a retailer that you've bought from online, and it's just a really simple and intuitive way to go about purchasing things on the internet. Shopify also supports a wide range of third-party payment options. So if this is something you need as well, then they have it. And in terms of security features, Shopify handles all of that as well. Now that we've discussed some of the main features of Shopify, let's talk about some of the main features of Magento. First, let's talk about customization and flexibility. Because Magento is an open source platform, the nature of this is that businesses get to customize every aspect of their store, which is a great plus. You can also choose a wide variety of themes as well as over 5,000 extensions for third-party applications. This just enables tailored solutions specifically specifically for you and your business. Let's talk about their advanced SEO and marketing tools. In terms of SEO, it's very similar to what Shopify offers. The SEO capabilities include customizable URLs, meta tags, and SEO prompts to enhance search engine rankings. There's also advanced promotional tools such as discounts, coupons, and targeted promotions. This is just going to allow you to help run a more effective marketing campaign. Magento also has integrated tools that allow you to segment your customers. This will allow you to personalize marketing efforts based on specific audience characteristics. Now let's talk about Magento's comprehensive product management. Let's first talk about catalog management. Magento supports complex product catalogs with features like product reviews, inventory management, and configurable products. They also have AI-driven product recommendations, which is going to suggest relevant products to your customer based on their viewing as well as their purchasing behavior. And they also have very detailed inventory management tools as well. This will help you track stock levels, manage warehouses, and streamline the order fulfillment process. Let's talk now about scalability and performance. One cool thing about Magento is it allows for multiple storefronts with a single backend. This makes it easier to manage different markets, brands, or regions. The platform was also created to manage high volume and inventory. So if this is something that concerns you, then you don't have to worry about it. Magento is really going to be suitable for businesses from all sizes, even if you're scaling up to the very top end. And Magento also has advanced performance optimization tools, such as caching techniques and CDN integration. And this will just all ensure fast loading times and a smooth user experience. Lastly, let's talk about security and payment options. In terms of security features, Magento has a plethora of advanced security tools. Some of them include two-factor authentication, data encryption, and regular security patches to prevent against any threats. And just like Shopify, they support a wide range of payment gateways. And the cool thing is that they do this without any additional transaction fees. All right, now that we've reviewed some of the features of both Shopify and Magento, let's get into the pros and cons of each platform before we hop in and show you how to create your account. Let's first start with the pros and cons of Shopify. The first pro is the user-friendly interface and ease of use. With the quick setup and intuitive drag and drop builder, it's really a great platform for beginners. The second pro is the built-in SEO and marketing tools that we talked about. Shopify really simplifies the marketing and SEO aspect of building your business with all of these tools that they've created, and it's really just a great option. Next is their comprehensive product management that we talked about, with support for product variants for diverse catalogs, as well as low stock alerts and other things. It just really makes the inventory part of your business go very smoothly. And with scalability and performance, Shopify is that one-stop shop. You don't have to go get another hosting plan like some other e-commerce platforms. And also there's going to be plans for beginners all the way to advanced users. And in terms of payment and security, you're also not going to have to worry because Shopify has tons of payment options with third-party apps if needed, and their security is managed by them, which is great. We know all those. Let's now get into the cons about Shopify. The first con is limited customizability, especially when compared to a platform like Magento. Customizability is often limited to Shopify themes and apps. Customization is limited based on what's available in the third-party apps in Shopify and their themes. Another con about Shopify are transaction fees. Shopify charges fees for using third-party payment gateways. Also, many of the advanced features require purchasing within the Shopify App Store, and this can get expensive, so just be wary of that. The last con is scalability for large entrepreneurs. As your business continues to grow, the cost is going to increase, especially with Shopify. You might have to upgrade to a higher tier plan, and that's just going to cost you a little bit more money. So just know this and be aware of it. Also, Shopify may require plan upgrades or migrations to handle very large inventory, so just be aware of that. If that's something that you think you're going to need in the future, then Magento might be a better option for you. But for most people just starting out, it's not going to be a problem to use Shopify. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons of Magento. Customization and flexibility is one of the main pros of using Magento. Because it's an open source platform, like we talked about, this is going to give you more advanced features and customization options. They also have advanced SEO and marketing tools like we talked about. Another pro is their comprehensive product management. Like we said, if you have super large inventories, then Magento might be the way for you to go. Because of their complex catalog management, they're able to handle all of these large inventories from bigger companies. In terms of scalability and performance, Magento is great if you're managing multiple storefronts. Like we said, you can use one backend to manage multiple brands or regions, whatever you think is best for your business. And in terms of security and payment, they have great features just like Shopify. The one thing to note though is that Magento does not charge fees with third-party payment gateways. So keep that in mind. If that's something that you think you're going to need, then Magento might be the better option for you. Now let's talk about some of the cons of Magento before we get into showing you exactly how to create an account for both of these platforms. The first con is the technical expertise required. Because of the amazing customizability of Magento, there is a complex setup with a large large technical skill required. And in terms of maintenance and security, users must handle their own hosting, security, and maintenance, so just keep this in mind. The second con is cost. Now, although the open source version of Magento is free, cost for hosting, maintenance, and some advanced features may be significant. And really, if you have a Magento storefront, you're going to need to have developers that not only start the process for you, but also maintain your store. Just keep this in mind. It could become the more expensive option if you go that route. Now, briefly, we're just going to create an account with both platforms, and then afterwards, we're going to tell you which one you should use. We actually have a link for both of these platforms down below in the description, and we're going to start here with Shopify. You can actually get a Shopify account for $1 for the first month. This is a great deal. If you want to get started and you haven't created your store yet, then Shopify is going to be a great option. So let's just go ahead and enter our email address here, and we can get our free trial with no credit card required. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and answer all these questions that best describe you and your business. And if you don't want to, you can just skip here at the bottom. And then it'll ask you where your business will be located. Let's just say the United States. And then let's go ahead and enter our email here. If you haven't created an account, then you can create one here. I already have an account, so I'll just log in now. And just like that, once you've entered all your information and verified your email address, it should bring you to the Shopify homepage here. Now, we won't go into too much detail here, but just know you have 3 days on your free trial. And then after that, it's $1 for the first month. We have other videos on the channel that show you exactly how to use Shopify. So go ahead and check those videos out. We'll leave them linked down below in the description. Now let's create our Magento account. Now, like we said earlier, it's a part of Adobe Creative Solutions. So you're going to need to sign in with your Adobe ID. If you don't have an account, you can just go ahead in the top corner here and say create an account. So let's do that now. I'll type in my email address here and I'll go ahead and create a password. And once you've done that, let's just go ahead and enter our name here and our birthday, and we can click create account. Next, it'll just ask us to verify our identity. And once we've verified our email address, we can just log in here to our Magento account. Now with our account here, you see Magento, the partner portal, and marketplace as well. Like we said earlier, Magento is a full intensive process of hiring developers to build out your store, but we just wanted to show you how to create your account and get started. Now let's talk about who should use what platform. Let's start with Shopify. The first person who should use Shopify is an entrepreneur with diverse products. If you're an entrepreneur with a variety of products and need a robust e-commerce solution, Shopify is going to be a perfect option for you. It's going to allow you to manage extensive inventories and provide a professional shopping experience for your customers. Another person that would want to use Shopify is businesses looking for growth. Shopify's extensive features and integrations really support businesses looking to take their business to the next step. It's an ideal platform for businesses that are looking to reach for a larger audience. And the last person that might want to use Shopify is one that would need comprehensive tools, such as SEO and marketing tools. From inventory management to SEO and marketing tools, Shopify is a great option. Because it's a one-stop shop, it's a great way to manage all the different aspects of your business in one platform. Now let's talk about who should use Magento. The first people that should use Magento are businesses needing extensive customization options and advanced features. If you need deep customization for your e-commerce platform, advanced SEO and marketing tools, and third-party integrations, then Magento is going to be a better option for you. Also, large enterprises with technical resources and complex needs are going to be great to work with Magento. Note that technical expertise is required. Like we talked about, you will probably have to hire a developer to help build out your store. But this gives you complete performance tuning exactly to the needs of your business. And lastly, businesses aiming for scalability and global reach are going to be a great option for Magento. If you need multiple storefronts with one backend like we talked about, or you need multilingual and multi-currency support, and if you don't want to pay fees on third-party payment gateways, then Magento is going to be a great option for you. So to recap, in this video, we delved into the strengths and weaknesses of both Magento and Shopify. Shopify really shines with its user-friendly interface and quick setup, making it an excellent option for small to medium-sized businesses and entrepreneurs seeking a user-friendly interface. Magento, on the other hand, offers unparalleled customization options, scalability, and advanced features, making it a great option for larger enterprises with a lot of inventory. Ultimately, the choice between the two hinges on your specific business needs. For most people watching this video, Shopify is probably going to be the way to go for small to medium-sized businesses. But if you are that larger business that needs all the capabilities and functionality of Magento, then that's going to be the option for you. So that's all we have for you today for our video. Thank you so much for watching. We really hope you enjoyed the content in this video. And if you did, please leave us a like, subscribe, and comment down below. This channel is dedicated to helping you start and grow your e-commerce brand, so stay tuned for more videos like this in the future. We'll be sure to leave all the links to the resources that we talked about in today's video, like Shopify and Magento, down below in the description. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best on your entrepreneurship journey, and we will see you in the next video.